This is an open space here. Today I'm going to make a closet here, and the closet will be 48 inches wide, that is 4 feet, and the height will be 80 inches. So I'll make a frame for that first, and then install drywall over here. And in this process I have to take care of this attic access. So my measurements and marking are done for this closet. 31 inches deep and 90 inches in height. This would be the frame. And I have to cover the distance or the depth, the height from this ceiling up to these green, little smaller green marks here. I'll make a frame. So this is my rough frame. Finalizing the screws here, and after this we'll put a drywall on top of this.